Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will guide you through resolving the "someone else is still using this PC" error. And now, let's get started. This error message indicates that another user session is active on your computer, preventing you from performing certain actions. Let's explore the solutions to fix this. First, it is essential to check if another user account is currently active. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Navigate to Accounts, and then scroll down to explore other users. If you see any other active user sessions listed, you may need to remove them if they are not intended to be active. In many cases, you might not find another user active, which leads us to the next step. Click on Windows Updates. Here you can check if any updates are currently running in the background. You can also click on Check for Updates, and ensure the option to get updates as soon as they are available is enabled. Keeping your Windows updated is crucial because it includes security patches that can resolve such system-level errors. Next, run an anti-malware scan on your system. Press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run window. Type MRT, and then press Enter. This will launch the Microsoft Malware Removal tool. Click Yes, then select Next. Choose the full scan option, and click Next. The tool will now begin scanning your system for any malware that might be causing this issue. Finally, troubleshoot by performing a clean boot. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open it. Go to the Services tab. Check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. If you see any other services checked, click on Disable All, then Apply, and finally, OK. You will then be prompted to restart your computer. Performing a clean boot helps to identify if any third-party software is causing the conflict. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.